are singing in the sky so high, telling secrets as the clouds fly by. Water dances over rocks so sweet, endless rhythms where the earth and sky meet. Whispers of the wild calling my name, a melody of a life I can't tame. Feel the heartbeat of the world so free. Nature's song is eternal, can't you see? Leaves are rustling in a gentle breeze, sharing tales with the whispering trees. Sunlight kisses every blade of green, a masterpiece that's forever unseen. The hills hum low, the valleys reply, mountains echo under wide blue sky. In every turn there's a brand new sound. Life's symphony is where peace is found. Whispers of the wild calling my name, a melody of life I can't tame. Feel the heartbeat of the world so free. Nature's song is eternal, can't you see? A river's laugh as it splashes the shore, treasures waiting just behind the door. Chirping messengers tell tales so true. The universe hums of me